Hi guys, so yeah, I'm here with the floating chair project, still under process because I'm doing it after a quite long time. So getting things together and doing what I can do best. So let me show you the progress, and then I'll show you what's going on with the chair and where we're going to end up with it. Yeah, guys, here's the chair. So I made these spaces over here. I didn't cover them because I was doing it quite after a quite long time. So there are some its and buts in it. But still, I have to do few more over here, and then all the way up. But the reason I'm showing you is that this will come like this. They will all be like placed like this. Over here, and then they'll be screwed or probably screwed and glue both will be done with them. And then so this is the first one, and all the way around about four over here, and plenty of these are going to be done over here as well. I have to mark them first. I just wanted to give it a try over here first, but this is the base of the chair, and this will be something really cool. I mean, it's more tilted on the right side because it's not level, but once it will be fixed, it will be straight. Probably it will be, because I've checked it before. It does, because the base is done, and only the sitting area in the back is remaining, and then we'll be fixing it, putting all together. So that is the reason. And the other reason is I couldn't make the video was because I have a tripod. The camera, I'm using iPhone, so I don't want to use it frequently because there's quite much dust and everything. So I'll be getting a camera. I have a camera, but it's a GoPro, but it doesn't have a casing, so I have to get the casing for that. Fix it on the tripod, but then it will be all working in front of you guys. But till now it is looking perfect. So this is also pine wood. These slabs over here, these are a bit dirty because for ages they are just lying. I cut them and then dropped the project, as I mentioned to you guys before. But now it's time to complete it, and let's see. Though it's a replica, I mean, I'm not the main designer of this chair, someone else is. It's on the YouTube. I actually saw it on the YouTube, so I really liked it. So I said it was quite challenging for me for a project like this, and with no education on making it. So I took that project, and till now it's almost going the way it should be. Little bit of minor defects would be there maybe, but I'm happy with it because it's fun. It's something, a dream come true. So yeah. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you. But today I'm going to finish these four of these remaining spaces, and then we're going to try to. Then I'll try to fix them. Not fix them right now, but level them out, measure them, and make their center and everything, and then I'll continue over there. Probably at that time I'll be using my camera to show you how I did it, and by that time I'll be a bit more used to of using this router, which I'm using to make these spaces. So it will be quite helpful for me to show you guys how it is done. So yeah, so I just wanted to show you the progress of this chair. So yeah, hopefully you're going to like it from onwards, because I have to show you guys how I'm doing it. I mean, this is not the proper way of showing, but yeah. Anyways, quite more work is to be done. I mean, the leveling and everything. Like this one over here, the first space I made, I mean, I went a bit more, so it's a little loose. This is the last one, so it's perfect. This is second last. This is tight as well. These three were a bit dodgy ones because I was doing it after a long time, but I'll manage it. I'll do something about it, and it will be fixed. So not a big deal in it. I'm thinking that this chair will look perfect after everything is done with it and all the completion and everything. So yeah, see you in the next video, and probably with the camera and doing work and showing you everything. So one more to go. I've done two, this one and this one. It's a bit dodgy. I have to put a little bit of finishing over here just to make it more, but the thing is it's already a bit loose. This one is tight, but this one is loose. Let's hope this one comes out together. Let's see. So guys, I've lined this up all the way. All 9 pieces have been lined up, and a little bit of adjustment is yet to be taken care of, but overall it's coming together. Something I have to redo the finishing of these upper portion, because with age they have been damaged a little bit, so I have to redo them, clean them actually, sand them to make it perfect again, look perfect again. But I think it's looking good. Size wise, I don't know, little odd, but looks good, will look good. It's not a sitting chair, basically it's more like a decoration piece. You cannot use it for sitting or anything like that because it's quite heavy as well, and it's not that durable. I mean, it can be used, but yet I don't know. Well, the upper piece will go like this, something like this. So it will go like this up. So overall it will gonna look amazing, what I think, once it is complete. So let's see what it is, what will happen. You never know. Maybe it comes out really nice, maybe everything is gone, jeopardized. But in the light, I like it, to be very honest. It's looking nice. So yeah guys, till the next video, take care, goodbye.